To complete Word Assignment 2, you're going to need W1-D3. So if you'll go to your Office 365 that you access through the school website, and if you don't remember how to do that, then watch the video that's attached to Word Assignment 1. But your files should be in this home section, and then right here I can see this is the one that I last edited, and it is the one that I need to complete Word Assignment 2. When it loads, you're going to want to go ahead and go to File, Save As, and you're not going to rename it because we're going to build on and you're going to attach the separate files in the Dropbox that it belongs to. Excuse me. So Word Assignment 2 will have 2 files on it as well. It will be the D4 one that we're going to create now, and then also D6. So I'm going to save as, and I'm going to change the 3 to a 4, and I'm going to save it. And from here, the directions say to position the insertion point anywhere in the date line. So your insertion point is just simply where this I beam pointer is. As you drag the mouse, you can see that it changes to the I. The insertion point is whenever you click anywhere it tells you to. So I'm putting the insertion point in the date. And then it says to go to home, and then in your paragraph group to center it. If you want to, you can change it to the right, or in this case, we're going to leave it on the left. As for a cover letter, it looks better on the left. Then you're going to position the insertion point next to the last paragraph. You turn your paragraph formatting marks on. Then what you'll do is next to the last paragraph symbol in the document, I'm going to type the end of the letter, which is barely, comma, and then I'm going to press enter 1, 2, 3, one more time, and I'm going to type Stella Martin. I'm going to press enter again, and then one more time and type enclosure. Remember, if you're watching these videos, if you pause them every now and again, then you can do what I've done and then play it again whenever you're ready. And then if we wanted to center the letter vertically, I'm going to zoom out so you can see what it looks like. Right now, everything is left aligned. If you scroll to the end of the page, you'll notice that there's a whole lot of white space at the bottom. If you click your layout tab at the top, you can access through Office 365 the alignment tab here. So I just clicked on this little button here in the bottom left of, or the bottom right, sorry, of the paragraph group, and then change the alignment to center and press OK. That did not center the whole letter though, so if you want to do that, change this back real quick. So I selected all of it and then center. It will center the entire letter. However, that doesn't look very good. So what I would do if I were you is press Control Z on your keyboard. It undoes things. So Control and Z together. Bring it back to left. When you have that part finished, then you will go to File, Save As, and then download a copy to turn into Word Assignment 2. So whenever you're uploading things to Classroom, it's kind of hard for me to show you the student side of this. But basically, whenever you go to turn in your assignment, you're going to have up here in the top right an Add or Create button, just like you were turning in your Google stuff, except for when you click on Add or Create, what you may see instead is, I can show you an example. You may get the option to choose either Google Drive or File. If you click on File, then you're going to see this pop up. You're going to have to go to Upload and then Browse. And then depending on what kind of computer that you're using, you're still going to want to make sure that you find your Downloads folder somewhere, and then it will most likely be at the top. And this is the correct one. So you open it, and then it'll attach, and then you'll press Turn In. Of course, this is the teacher side, so it looks a little different. So that is W1-D4. From there, I'm going to zoom back in. You're still on D4, and this time you're going to skip over D5 and go to D6. This is a little bit more typing to do, but first you're going to want to go to File, Save As, and save a copy online, and make the 4 a 6. Save it. Turn your paragraph formatting marks on. Position the insertion point at the end of the last line in the first paragraph. So here, you're going to press Enter twice, and then once more, and then you're going to type what I'm typing here. So my college education provided me with the following technical skills that will allow me to make a positive contribution to global computer, and then a colon. So from here, you're going to press Enter, and then you're going to click on your number button up at the top. And so then it gives you a 1, and then you're going to type the following: an understanding of real world computer needs. Then press Enter, and then it'll go to line 2. An awareness of the latest technologies available. Then hit Enter to go to 3. The ability to analyze problems and apply the appropriate hardware and software solutions. You'll notice that I have a red line under this particular word, and if I right click, it's going to give me an option to change this. It should be analyze. So I have my Y and my Z mixed up. So there, that's fixed. And then go back to the end of that line and then press Enter to go to 4. And you're going to type hands-on experience with a wide variety of computer equipment. You're going to press Enter 3 times. And then we're going to type my experience at Best Computers provided me with the following sales-related knowledge that would benefit Global Computer. Then you're going to press enter. And this time, instead of using numbers, we're going to use a bulleted list. So I'm going to click on the bullet button up at the top. And then you're going to type the following. Skill in using consultative sales skills to learn about client needs, adeptness in analyzing client requirements and addressing their business issues. Enter. Competence in articulating solutions and demonstrating product benefits to the client. Enter. Proficiency in handling objections. Enter again. Ability to provide a training and implementation plan that ensures high customer satisfaction. And then once you get this one finished, it's going to look like that. And then you're going to go to File, Save As, Download a copy, Download. And so you're going to turn this one into Classroom as well. And when you're finished with that, that will be the end of Word Assignment 2.